Napunbu, Indonbu, Dikabu, Tungaibu. What is this month called? And about the present day and date as well. Hello everyone, myself Ningsing Rongmei and we have Miss Chengai and today I heard we're going to do something different today about culture. Yes. So we have Miss Chengai with us, all well prepared for the questions that I'm going to ask. So let's go to our questions. What is your community name, Chengai? I belong to Rongmei NAGA community. Mind if I know your religion name as well? We are from Popocharya. It is a primordial dharma. And do you perform rituals throughout the year? Yes, we do. Do you follow any specific calendar or normal English Gregorian calendar itself? What do you call it? We follow our own lunar calendar. We call it Rongmei NAGA RIAN. Before that, if you follow your own lunar calendar, you must have the specific names of the month, right? Can you call them out? So they are Napunbu, Indunbu, Dikabu, Tungaibu, Nabrogbu, Pukfadaibu, Laudaitaibu, Bulaibu, Launambu, Ganbu, Ingaibu, and the last Nanubu. And are there specific names for the days of the week too? Can you please call them out? Yes, they are Nai, Bu-NEIH, D-NEIH, Ganpunai, Majanai, Lan-NEIH, and the last Inkunai. I'm very curious now. So then, what is this month called? And about the present day and date as well. This present month is called Napunbu. According to this lunar calendar, this present day is called Mazanai and the date is 29. Do you perform specific rituals on specific months or is it okay to perform it on any other months? Yes, we perform specific rituals on specific months and there is some rituals that we perform on any other month. Then can you call them out? Yes, let's start with the Napunbu, which is the first month of the year. In Napunbu, we have Ngai or Napkaudai, and in Indunbu, we have Ginki Ngai. And in Dikabu, we have Dikab Ngai or Maliang Ngai. And in Tungaibu, we have Tungai. And in Nabrogbu, we have Nabrog Ngai. And in Ganbu, we have Gaan Ngai. And it is a major festival from our community. Yes. And in Ringaibu, we have Ringai. And in Nanubu, we have Nanungai. Okay, thank you. And so, as you have told that Gaan Ngai is the major festival of your community, then can you tell something about it? Gaan Ngai is a major festival that we celebrate annually. It is for 5 consecutive days and it is generally falls on the month of November, December in Gregorian calendar. And for the year of 2026-27, it falls on date 19 to 24 of December. Also, we also have been getting restricted holiday from the Assam government. Oh, that's amazing. Yes, all thanks to the leaders of several committees, especially Popocharya Research and Development Council, Northeast India, ANSU, and more. And in this year, this restricted holiday is fall on 22nd of December, which is the 3rd day of Gaan Ngai, and which is called Rampan. Thank you so much, Ngai. On this festival, all the followers of Popocharya wear traditional clothings, perform rituals, varieties of dances and songs. They come and unite in this festival and celebrate it with full enthusiasm, and I hope this year too everyone will celebrate it with more enthusiasm. And So, okay, thank you so much for your time being Miss Jangai, and I had fun talking about Rongmei Kabui Naga culture. You had fun too? Yes, me too. I had so much fun. Okay. And in the next episode, we'll be talking about Rongmei Kabui Naga community, about their festivals. And please keep encouraging us by supporting this channel of my fathers by through subscribing, sharing, commenting, and liking our video. Until then, thank you for watching.
Chay luan ko cha gạo na kêu